Hello, Beastie! Halloween is almost here, so what better way to start off the season than by transforming into the legendary Disney villain Maleficent, played by the one and only Angelina Jolie. We're taking this video to the next level in honor of the new film Maleficent, Mistress of Evil. Thank you, Disney, for sponsoring this video. I am so excited about this new film because it features three strong leading ladies: Angelina Jolie, Elle Fanning, and Michelle Pfeiffer. I can't imagine a better cast. I had so much fun interpreting the Maleficent look in my own way, and I hope you create your own look after this tutorial too. The movie comes out in theaters this Friday, October 18th, and I am definitely going to be the first in line to watch it with my friends. You can buy the tickets through the link in the description box below. This video is very special because this is a new type of advanced makeup tutorial featuring a virtual try-on experience. It basically means you can follow the important steps I do in this video and turn yourself into Maleficent too. A few quick things before we start. The experience is only available on mobile, so if you're watching on desktop, grab your mobile device. If you're watching in landscape mode, flip the phone vertically or longwise to access the blue button. Be sure your phone is updated with the newest YouTube app, and always make sure you have good lighting. This experience is only available for limited time, so be sure to try it while you can. Ready to get started? Just tap the blue button that says Try Now below the video. Now let's start the tutorial. So in the first Maleficent look, I only used makeup to create the high cheekbones, but in this one, I want to use a nose and scar wax for more realistic 3D effect. To help it stick better, I like applying a little bit of Prosade on the skin, and then I'm just going to press it and start blending the edges. As the fingers warms it up, it does get a lot stickier, so apply some Vaseline on your hands. This does take a lot of patience. Use a sculpting tool, take your time. Just make sure that the edges are sharp like the edge of a sword. Next, I'm going to apply a couple layers of liquid latex on top of the cheek prosthetics. This is going to help seal it and also blend with the skin a bit more seamlessly. I'm going to go ahead and apply some liquid foundation to create a flawless base. Full coverage foundation is highly recommended, and a makeup sponge to go around the cheekbones. After that, I'm going to grab my light concealer and I'm going to apply it pretty heavily underneath my eyes to brighten it and also to help blend the cheekbones a bit more. Let's go ahead and set the whole face. I have my translucent powder. I'm going to start baking the cheekbones with it first, and then I'm just going to brush the rest of the face like how I normally would. Now the brows are essential in defining a villain look, so I'm going to use this dark brown shade to fill in the brows and give it a slight arch just like Angelina's. For the eyes, I'm going to use this taupe color, and I really want to deepen the crease to make my eyes look more like hers. So I'm just going to sweep it back and forth. Then I'm going to apply this bright champagne shadow on my lids. It's going to create a nice contrast with the dark shadows that I'm going to start applying on the outer corners. Now grab an eyeliner that is black as a raven's feather and create a medium-sized wing. I'm also going to create a cut crease with that eyeliner because I want to mimic her eye shape. The eye shape is coming out slowly. I just need to darken the lower lash line and then apply a soft brown line underneath to widen the eyes. Now I'm going to finish off the eye makeup with these dramatic wispy lashes. Make sure to trim them, curl them to make the application easier. After that, let me enhance the look by wearing a pair of hazel green contacts. Make sure that your hands are clean, the contacts are smooth, and carefully insert them. Now I'm going to focus on the magic of contouring and highlighting. So I'm going to contour the nose to make it look really tall, slender with a short tip. Highlight a little bit if you want to, and then go ahead and chisel out the cheekbones. I am ready to do her signature red lips. So first I like to take a lip liner, especially when I want a fuller pout, and then I'm just going to outline and fill it in. Once that is done, I'm going to take this red as a blood lipstick and then just swipe it on top. Go ahead and apply some shadow on the center of the lips and on the outer corners to accentuate the lip shape. And then the only thing we're missing is the iconic beauty mark on top of the eyebrow. Okay, this is the part where we get to dress up like her. So I'm going to go ahead and put on a wig cap, just like how I'm wearing a wig. I'm going to put all the hair inside, and here's the headdress. Finally, I'm transformed head to toe into Angelina Jolie as the evil villain Maleficent. If you try this at home, I would love to see your Maleficent looks too. I hope you guys had fun watching and also trying this virtual try-on experience to transform along with me. Remember, this is only available for limited time, so make sure to try it now. And if you love the look, snap a photo to save and share with the friends. But if not, I know you still love this fresh take. Don't forget to get your ticket to see Maleficent, Mistress of Evil in theaters this Friday, October 18th. Get those tickets now, Beastie.